What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. Now, we're actually going to be doing some interior mods on my GR86 today. If you've ever seen some of my videos before, then you may be familiar with some of the stuff that I have done. If not, I'll give you guys a quick run through. Now, obviously, as you guys can tell, the most noticeable thing that we have in the interior are the custom interior seat covers. I have a few small minor things as well, like these carbon fiber overlays for the air bezel right here, as well as some new LED lights. But besides that, everything on the interior is pretty much stock. And that's where we're gonna be adding some new parts to hopefully spice up the interior or just, you know, give it a little bit more life. So I got this package from Kustom Interior over here, and I think that should hopefully do the trick. So I'll go ahead and get this unboxed and I'll show you guys what's inside. Now, this is a brand new release that Kustom Interior did on this product. Just like their seat covers, this package smells absolutely amazing. And I know that may sound weird, but it's because they use like premium artificial leather on their products. And as you guys can tell, without even taking it fully out of this package, it looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything taken out of this box. That way we can see what we have and lay it all out in front of us. And then I'll go ahead and kind of just explain to you guys how you get these installed into the car. Now that I got them taken out of the package, I can give you guys a better look at what parts I'm actually going to be installing. Now, these are Kustom Interior's brand new floor mats that they make for the new 2022-2023 GR86 and BRZ. And if you guys look closely, it's actually the exact same diamond stitching pattern that's on the current seats that I have right now, which I feel like should go perfect, because if you guys actually see right now, what I have is the WeatherTech floor mats. Look, don't get me wrong, the WeatherTech floor mats are nice and all, but to be honest, I really just don't think they look all that great. They look kind of bland, to be honest, especially putting it right here next to the driver's seat one from Kustom Interior versus the WeatherTech floor mat. I think that this should be a really nice upgrade. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side floor mat taken out of the car. That way we can get these installed. Now, I got the car all pulled out. That way it'd be a little bit easier than trying to do this in the garage. But installing these should be pretty simple and straightforward. I'm assuming you literally just get this kind of placed into the car, front forwards like this. And then I'm assuming you kind of just lock it into place, back and forth, just like so. Super simple, you guys. And then I think you would put this underneath there and try and, sorry you guys, it's a little hard for me to do this with one hand. Let me try and put the camera down and I'll show you guys how it should look afterwards. But it's really simple. You literally just place it in there, and then there's a flap right here that you have to put underneath the seat, and then this that goes around on this side right here. And then as you guys can see, there's this long piece right here that you put up against the, I don't know what you would call this, like the panel right here. Let me go ahead and get this placed in properly. That way I can show you guys how it should look. Now, I got the first floor mat for the driver's side fully installed. I'm gonna go around real quick and just show you guys how the other passenger side looks normally with the WeatherTech floor mats. Just looking at both of them in comparison, you can tell, really honestly, how much nicer that side looks than this one. Now, I always like being as honest as I can with you guys, especially when it comes to me showing off products to you guys like this, or how to install parts in your car, stuff like that. Now, I did think going into this, before I even installed these floor mats, that the diamond stitching on the floor with the diamond stitching on the seat covers would be a little too much. But now that I'm looking at it, I honestly really like the way that this looks. Another great thing that I actually like about this versus the WeatherTech floor mats that I had before is that this padding actually goes all the way up to the side. So there's actually a lot more protection than the other floor mats gave. So now that the driver's side is done, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the passenger side one now and go ahead and get this one thrown into the car. As you all can see, I got the passenger side floor mats all put in. You kind of want to just tuck it up behind this panel right here, as you guys can kind of tell that I did right there. And then same for the driver's side, you just have this flap that you put underneath the seat, and then one that goes along this panel right here. And boom, that's it, you guys. It's as simple as that. I'll go ahead and get a few video clips of how the seat covers and the floor mats look together. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut into the cinematics. All right, you guys, so now that we got everything fully installed with the custom interior seat covers, let me know what you guys think. I feel like this was a super simple and really easy mod to kind of like spice up the look of your interior without going too crazy on the budget as well. Like I said, Custom Interior actually just released these floor mats, so I would highly advise going over to the website now and checking to see if they have anything that may interest you. If you guys actually look, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. Oh yeah, you can see. It's actually May 25th today, which was the day of my car meet. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who ended up coming out to the car meet. I had an absolute blast, and that video is going to be posted next week on Sunday. Now with that being said, I'm pretty much going to wrap up the video here, you guys. This was a really simple and easy install, and like I said, it doesn't really take too much time to install seat covers on your car. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new, that way you could stay up to date on all the content that I make on my 86, just like this. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the custom interior seat covers and the custom interior floor mats. I think they look absolutely amazing, especially paired together like this. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.